Welcome to a Math Thinking Thursday. What makes it a Thinking Thursday is down here at the bottom, we're going to be critiquing others. So we're going to practice showing numbers in multiple ways. We're going to practice name that number so that we can take the number from standard form to word form. And we're going to also critique River. So let's get started. We have the number 74. And we want to change this number to written form, expanded form, and use base 10 blocks to show this number. So base 10 blocks, we have this symbol that means 100. We have this symbol, which means a 10. And we have this symbol, which means a 1. Now we don't have 100 in this number, but we do have 10s and we have 1s. How many 10s do I have? 7. So I need 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And how many 1s do I have? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Believe it or not, in math, this shows 74. Now for expanded form, I want to expand this number into each place value. So this 7 represents 70, plus this 4 represents 4. You have just changed the standard form 74 to 70 plus 4, which would equal 74. Now for written form, we want to use our word bank down here to help us with our spelling. So I see the word 7. What do I need to put at the end to make that 70? I just need the TY. And then I see the word 4. You have just shown one number in multiple ways. This is a step closer to being able to manipulate numbers in multiple ways. We can think of this number in many different forms to help us when we're solving. So down here, for name that number, we have 67. 60 and 7. Here I have 922. So I don't see 9 up here, but I do see 90. So I can probably take a part of this number and help me. So I'm going to take just the part that says 9. And then I'm going to take 100. Which is right here. Here I have 22. 20. And then TWO. Excellent. Here's where we have to start really thinking not only about the question, but how we can show that we're correct. So it says River thinks that 50 less than 88 is 38. Is River correct? That's the first thing I have to answer. How could you use a hundreds chart to help you prove that River is correct? Where would you start? So first off, let's think, is River correct? Here is, let me get my highlighter, 88. 88 is right here. And it's saying that 50 less. You know this is 10. Another move would be 20, 30, 40, 50. So this is where I ended up. So here I started with 88 and I went 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So is River correct? Yes. River is correct. Then here it asks, how could you use a hundreds chart to help you prove it? And we did that already. Now we explain what we did. I started at 88 and moved upward on the hundreds chart. I went up 5 times to show 50. Each time I go up, I subtract 10. So this tracks the compass because every time I go up, I subtract 10. When I go down, I add 10. When I go to the right, I add 1. Oop, put the 1 right on the line there. And over here, I subtract 1. Very good on this Thinking Thursday. Critiquing River. You did name that number. And you showed multiple ways to model the number. You're going to have to do this. About that. You're going to have to do this many more times in the weeks to come. So it's very good that we got practice doing this today. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Hi, my budding geniuses. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you have your book so you can follow along. Practice on your own for 15 minutes and then log in to review the lesson. Remember, there's a purpose for your life. If you stay focused, you can say, Oyemi, I understand. See you tomorrow. Bye now.